Miweche manyen riwruog Jochiew thieth KRA oyango ni tero bura e doho ewi chenro maduol mochung' ne choko osuru mapacho ka KRA makoro dwaro ni mondo ti kod chenro manyien mar osuru e yor mbui ma otisi ni e-TIMS. KRA wacho ni mano en okang' madhi ataro gi dwaro mar katiba ma pacho ka kendo dhi mono sekta mar thieth tawo chenro mage e yo ma ok ful nonro mag ji oko.
We have taken legal action against e-TIMS on the basis of confidentiality and on the basis of paying money that you have not been paid. A government's job is to facilitate the living of people. It's not to tax them until they die, even on money they don't have.
Is seeking to force medical practitioners and healthcare institutions to disclose patient data, including patients' names, their sex, their hospitalization and treatment details, to the Kenya government through the KRA system.
We swore an oath. We need KRA to explain to us how we are going to protect patient information. Once they are able to provide these answers, trust you me, doctors have never been people who run away from paying taxes.